So that last video was too large to upload, so I'm just going to split it into two for you. We are doing the Achievement Standard internally assessed on probability simulations. It's 3 credits. And all it means is you need to do an experiment that will simulate a situation and find out the probabilities of that situation happening. So if you play hockey, there's a penalty strike that you can go for, and it's just one person versus the goalie. And the penalty stroke is deemed to be quite difficult to get. So if we wanted to simulate and do an experiment to find out how often you would get a goal in that, we would be doing a probability simulation. To do the entire simulation in the assessment, you're going to have to do the PPDAC cycle, and you're going to have to come up with the question yourself, a nice investigative question to say, I wonder how many penalty strokes are successful in getting a goal. Then you come up with a plan for the simulation. It needs to be detailed, doesn't need to be long, but it needs to be detailed. And you also need to list all the possible outcomes. So for a penalty stroke, the possible outcomes are either you get the goal or you miss the goal. The data will be collected and recorded on the day, usually recorded in a table, which will be fantastic because in the analysis you need 2 displays. One of them can be your table of results. So you can have a nice tally chart, add up all your results, that's one of your displays, and then the other one would be good if it was a bar graph. And you need to talk about 2 patterns in the data in context. So you need to say that the first outcome came up 14 out of 20 times, and this means that you will miss the goal 14 times out of 20. In the last part, the conclusion, you just need to answer your original investigative question. So, I hope that helps.